We have two different mounts for the drawer system and the fridge slide in the bed of the Gladiator. If you have a standard width fridge slide, you will get 6 of the smaller spacers. If you have the wider slide, you'll get 3 of the small spacers, which will go on the driver's side of the bed, and then 3 of the extra wide or double spacers to go under the drawers and the wide slide. So on the wide slide, you'll use these 3 holes to mount it to the bed, plus the center one. You'll put the 3 small M6 by 14s in these 3 holes, and the M6 by 50 in the middle to mount it to the bed. If you didn't use this, it will let the slide flex a little. But if you put the bolts in here, it will keep it nice and flat and make the drawer be easier to slide in and out without any binding. Roughly in the right spot here.